Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel, and I have a product that was sent to me free for review. This is the brand Eveellyn, and these are the under eye masks. This is a 60-piece collagen and aloe vera under eye patches for dark circles and puffiness. They are to reduce wrinkles, eye bags, and fine lines. Improve and firm eye skin eye care treatment product. So let me show you. It comes in, it was sealed in shrink wrap, and this is something that is sold on Amazon, and Eveellyn sent this to me directly, and you can get this on Amazon. And then, you know, when y'all go into Amazon and you see, I'll have the link for this below, at the top of the page you'll see the store for Eveellyn, so you can see what else they carry. So this is just really nice because there are 60 pieces in here, which means there are 30 treatments. So let's put some on and then I'll talk about it. It is sealed like this, and there you have your little spatula to help lift this up. And then this is very nicely like a vacuum seal there. Oops, there's one on the lid. So there they are. They don't really have much of a scent. There's one on the lid so you can really see it. Well, it's lightly colored, so let me show you how it works. You use the spoon to take it off, and then now some people will put this part in and some people will put it out. So whoops, it depends on just, you know, which way you like to put it on. I don't think it really matters unless you have a preference. I like this bigger part here and the smaller part to come up here. Okay. So it has a green tint to it, but it's very lightly colored. So you can see, you know, when they're all piled on top of each other, they're green. So you're going to use your little spatula to get your next one out. And there it is. It has all that nice essence on there. And then just put it on. And usually these stay on for 15 to 30 minutes. I'll read what the package says, because you should always read your directions, you know. Okay, whoops, slid down a little bit there. Okay, and I'm just gonna close it up nice and tight. And then you can put these in your refrigerator. I have a little makeup refrigerator that I like to use. Just seal it nice, push the air out of it. And then I'll wipe off my little spatula and put this in here so I don't lose it. And there we have it. And I just think that label is so pretty. You see, it's old, it's antique-y looking to me. Let me tell you some about this. Safe and effective ingredients. Aloe vera, oops, that one's slipping down. It's aloe vera under eye mask is rich in aloe vera extract, a variety of natural plant ingredients, and collagen. Deeply repairs the skin around the eyes to help soothe and restore the skin around the eyes. The collagen under eye patches have passed MSDS certification, providing customers with safe and comfortable experience. Now, normally when you do these kinds of things, you know, you're not talking. So if you lay down and relax, they will stay in place. So they also brighten the eye, the skin around the eye. And there's a wide range of applications for these, because you can, this is the general purpose for these, but you can apply them elsewhere. I've told you that before as well. It says our eye mask is not only applicable to the eyes, but also can be used in other places that need to be hydrated. So after facial cleansing is when you use these. You put these on, and then I'll show you, let me just show you real quick. Open it back up. I have shown you this before on some Mask Mondays. Just take another one. And some people will put them around their mouths for the mouth lines. And some will put, I like to put one right here on my forehead. Right, you know, where the 11 lines are. And you just put it on. And you can put another one the other way if you want to get all of your brow. You can put them on this way and put it right over your eye, like that, and put one on each side. That's nice also. And it feels so good. It's very soothing. And you just lift it up with your little spatula. And I'll put this one over here. And you can push them closer together, you know, whatever works for you. And some people use them right here, and they'll wrap it around their lip because that, you know, the laugh lines, and you can put it on your chin. You can put some on under your neck. You can put them anywhere, really, anywhere that you have dry areas. You know, if you can take the time and just sit, and you have a little bit of a dry spot, you know how sometimes you'll just get a little crazy dry spot. You can put a little patch on your hand or something too, anywhere, really. But you'll have, you know, just take a few minutes to sit and let it rest. And it's very soothing, very soothing. So the box says, you know, it's to reduce fine lines, but also that aloe will help with, to saturate your skin. So basically, I think I told you mostly about it. It says, the description, the eye area focused, there's a scratch on the box. It's enriched with antioxidant-rich green aloe vera extract and Chondrus crispus. This anti-aging formula also features soothing botanical extracts along with, there's a scratch on the box, hydrating ingredients like sodium hyaluronate, ensuring skin is beautifully conditioned and plumped up. Regular use will help balance and brighten the delicate skin around the eyes, about the eyes, to promote a clear and smooth and youthful complexion. So I'll tell you, I use eye patches regularly. I really enjoy them. They're just so soothing. And a lot of people will use them in the morning before they get ready for work. And then I like to use them at night after I get home and I'm settled in and I have washed my face before I put on my moisturizers and serums and things. I like to put these on first to hydrate under my eyes. So they're just very nice. So again, the brand is Eveellyn Aloe Vera Hydrogel Eye Mask. And these are very reasonably priced. I'll have the link below. A lot of times this type of a packaging where there's 30 applications can go for $30+. And these are $9.99. So they're very nice. And again, I'll tell you, like I usually tell you when I talk about Amazon, if you go to a product and by the pricing, there's a little green square. It'll say, you know, click for 5% off. If you have something like that, you know, look for that when you're shopping. So I'm going to replace the lid here and just push it down, and that'll push the air out. And wipe off my little spatula. And I'll probably put this into my little refrigerator to keep them cool, because they feel best to me. Eye masks feel best when they're nice and cool. So thank you all for stopping by to see my Eveellyn Aloe Vera Hydrogel Eye Mask. And thank you, Eveellyn, for sending this product to me. I enjoy this. This is one of my favorite things to do to take care of myself. Y'all take care of yourself today and count your blessings. Bye-bye.